How to fix due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity, your access to Snapchat has been denied. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve access to Snapchat denied whenever you're trying to maybe log in. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, first of all, let me just get straight to the point. This happens when you're not using the official stock software. So if you're using a modified ROM or a custom ROM, which in this case, then in that case, you will have the Snapchat login issue. Snapchat has started rolling out such an update so that you will not be able to use their app on a modded platform. Now, one way that you can fix it, which I won't get into much detail due to chances of YouTube flagging down this video, is you can actually install the older version of Snapchat from APK Pure and other sources and log in, then later you can update from Play Store. Otherwise, what you have to do is you simply have to use the older version. Now, you can try a couple of temporary fixes by just long pressing the Snapchat app icon, then tapping the I button over here, then simply going to the option called storage, then going to clear cache and clearing the data. Once you've done that, you can try to update your Snapchat app to the latest version and just check if that actually helps you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.